My name is Vincent and I go to Toby Johnson Middle School, and I submitted how to make macarons. So it's about how to make macarons. I just thought it was an interesting way to do it, so I decided to make a video about it. So I start off with showing the ingredients you need to use, and then I show the process of how to make the meringue and everything else which combines to create the macarons. I'd like to have students know how to make cookies just to share with their friends.
Macarons may seem difficult to make, but they actually are quite simple. First, you're going to need the following ingredients: 1 cup of almond flour, 3 3/4 cups of powdered sugar, 3 egg whites, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of butter, drops of food coloring, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Sift together the almond flour and powdered sugar with a sieve. It's okay if there are some clumps left in the sieve, just throw it out. Then whisk them together and set it aside. Next, take your egg whites and put them in your bowl. I'm using a stand mixer, but a hand mixer and a large mixing bowl works too. Whisk your eggs until they're froth, then slowly add the granulated sugar to the eggs. This will create a meringue. Color your meringue with any food color or leave it white. Add your vanilla extract if you decide to use it. Slowly fold the almond flour and powdered sugar mixture into the meringue. This is now called batter. Pour the macaron batter into a piping bag to pipe your cookies. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, line your cookie sheet with parchment paper. When you're piping the batter, it's important to make your cookies as round and similar as possible so that when you decorate, you can sandwich the cookies easily. Tap your cookie sheet against a hard surface many times. This will help your macarons get rid of air bubbles. Rest your macarons for 30 minutes. Your macarons will form a shiny, smooth top. Bake your macarons for 7 minutes. Then, open the oven door to release some steam. Bake the macarons for another 7 minutes. Now, take them out of the oven and let them cool completely. Do not remove the macarons until they are completely cooled or they will break. To make your buttercream filling, blend the room temperature butter and the powdered sugar together. Add your flavoring, I'm using lemon, and blend until it is completely smooth. Put the buttercream into a piping bag. Match up the macaron cookies. Now, pipe the buttercream into one cookie and sandwich them together. Continue matching the cookies and filling them. And there you have it, macarons.